project that Citizens Energy Group worked on with Keeping Indianapolis Beautiful was basically the installation of stormwater planters throughout this neighborhood. This is in the CSO, or Combined Sewer Overflow 33 basin. This is one of our long-term control plan projects as part of our consent decree to reduce raw sewage overflows into Little Eagle Creek and other waterways in Indianapolis. So the project basically reduces stormwater, or helps detain stormwater from entering our combined system. Thereby, during storm events, it'll reduce those raw sewage overflows into the waterways. Obviously, this is not a new development. So this is an existing neighborhood that's been here for many decades. We were able to work within the streets, incorporate these stormwater planters throughout the neighborhood. It adds some aesthetically pleasing features. The 250 trees that were included as well kind of helps to green up the neighborhood. So I think for a lot of businesses or other communities that are already in place or with redevelopment, there's a lot of opportunities to mix in green infrastructure. The original inception was about 3 years ago, where we started the planning and design of the stormwater features in the CSO 33 basin. Within the past year and a half, we've been constructing and implementing the stormwater planters and basins, as well as the trees. The project cost was a little over $3 million, but it was about $15 million less than it would have cost had we installed some other projects with more gray infrastructure. So as part of this project, we added 250 trees to this neighborhood. And that was done purely by a volunteer group with Keep Indianapolis Beautiful, as well as citizens. Most of the volunteers, citizens opened up, and a lot of staff, resulting in over 100 volunteers. People brought their families, got involved, and did most of those tree plantings at no cost. With the implementation of our long-term control plan and the desire to spend almost $1.9 billion on eliminating raw sewage overflows, it's very important, programs like this, ways to cut costs and still implement positive programs that are highly sustainable.